Yo, what's up guys, how you doing today? My name is Daniel and welcome to day 7 of this week's challenge. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, we are on the fucking end. If you've been waiting for this moment, I'm gonna be honest with you, I did kinda burned out. I don't want to be bitching around, bro, you know me. Right, so I'm not going to spread any negativity on you. I wish you all the luck from the world, bro. If you've got any fucking dreams, just go and fucking get them. And if you will burn out like me, like I did, well, I'm not gonna talk about my story, like why, or all I want to tell you guys is that by this day, I'm gonna give myself a little break from YouTube. Because before this series of 7 days uploading video challenge, I've been uploading the videos 3 times a week. It was on Sunday, Wednesday, and on Friday, and today's only Tuesday, and you can expect from me next video on Sunday. And maybe you are asking why. Well, bro, let me tell you something about me. I'm such a fucking demanding person and I just want to improve. I know I need to improve this YouTube channel, I know I need to improve the video editing, etc. The informations I need to prepare in forward, because for example, last day of this week's challenge, it was just a random shit. Like I just came back from the work and I sit on a chair and I was making fucking videos like I am today, and I want to fucking improve. I always want to push it to the limits and beyond, and now I'm gonna give a break until Sunday, learn some new things and just progress, as I'm always fucking saying, and many of you might already hate this shit, but slowly but fucking surely. So that's all for my bullshit talk today. By the way, I almost forgot, I want to improve also my Instagram and also my eToro. So if you are not already following me on Instagram, link is down in the description. You can follow me there and see if I am telling you a bullshit or if I am gonna actually improve my Instagram. Also my eToro link is also down in the description, and also this YouTube channel, so you can subscribe. And if I am fucking lying right now in this moment, you can fucking hate me, you can say how fucking bitch I am, and alright, let's make a fucking deal between me and you so I can get motivated. Alright, but let's get to the video. Well, actually I was today thinking like, what am I going to talk about? And this guy, David Kjatarson, bro, I hope I've said your name correct. If I didn't, sorry, my bad. But he asked me, by the way, yo, what's up, David? I hope you're watching this video. Let me know if you did. He asked me today, like, if I did deposit this 30,900 total allocated and I've made $12,000, and I've said him like, no, I didn't, because what we are doing here, guys, and what we will be doing here, let me get this straight first. I am, in my whole time on eToro, 2 years on this platform, I didn't withdraw any money. I didn't withdraw a single penny. So all of this money right here, those are the money from dividends. So at least you will know like what we are doing with the money. As you know, many of you are smart. Most of you, my copiers, are fucking smart, and with every one of you I was talking about this. Like, we are here for long term, and you did agree that you are too in the game for long term. So we are reinvesting our dividends. The dividend will be here in available, and then we buy another new positions, and it adds to the allocated. And also I'm doing some midterm purchases, and when I sell the midterm purchases, I do not withdraw the money, but I buy another position. And that's why there is a 30,900. But you know, I'm always real with you, and when I think about it, I think that I have invested in eToro something around 20, I don't want to lie now, but it was 20, something around maybe $24,000-$25,000. So yeah, David, this was the answer for you, and for all of you who might be asking how much money did I put in to make the profit of 12,000. I mean, the 12,000 profit is actually nothing. We've been on 15,000 in February, then the markets dropped and we were back on 12,000, but we are slowly climbing back. We sold some of our positions, we bought new positions, we also added money for March, and we bought another new positions. Quick portfolio update. So today we are down by 1.6%, which makes us $720. I mean, guys, you have to look at this number, 1.6%. Do not look at $727. You will not be in minus of $720. You would be, of course, if you would have 30,000, 31,000 allocated. Then okay, the 1% from 31,000 would be $720. But if you invested only 500 or 1,000, and we are down like 1%, so you can calculate it, how much is it? So just don't be worried. Let's build our portfolio slowly but surely. Add the money every month. I mean, slowly you will fucking get there. If you want to, you can pump it. As I'm saying to all of my copiers, I don't want to take money from you when you can't. You know, if it makes problems in your family or you will be in problem, bro, just okay, invest once and you don't need to add the funds every month. But let me get this straight, this is not a fucking casino. Like maybe for many people this is a fucking casino, because when I sometimes look at these fucking trades, it's just fucking crazy. But that's why 76 to 80% of people who are invested in stock market lose the fucking money. This is the fucking reason why, bro. Because they think they will get rich fast. And I am here to tell you, bro, nothing like get rich fucking fast doesn't exist. And I know most of you will understand it, because as I've said, most of you are fucking smart, right? So that's just how it is, bro. I mean, bro, I'm not here to fucking trick you. I'm not here to fucking tell you this blah 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 bullshit like, bro, I'm gonna make you a millionaire in 1 year and stuff. No, bro, I will not. I'm sorry, I will not. If you believe some motherfucker who says he will, alright, go to him. It's not my problem anymore, bro. You will just show your stupidity, to be honest, and that motherfucker will just lose your money. He will get rich. He will get rich. But you will be fucked, alright? So just to get this straight. Another thing that I want to talk about is another question from another of our copiers, Brandon. Brandon, my G, what's up? I know I didn't answer you this question when you have asked me it on Instagram, but bro, I mean, my schedule is just... Guys, you have to fucking understand one thing. Like, many people are just messaging me on Instagram, fucking eToro, everywhere, bro, but you have to understand that I got one job where I am working, then I got my own project, my own business that I'm working on, and it's fucking exhausting. Then I've got YouTube, Instagram, eToro, okay? So if I'm not answering you in fucking seconds, you have to understand it, okay? So, but he asked me what the hell means ex-dividend date, because I was talking about you have to buy the stock at least 2 days before ex-dividend date in order to get paid their dividend. So for example, let me go on T-Bronx and I'm gonna show you some of our portfolio holdings. Portfolio calendar. Okay, so here is a Qualcomm, and Qualcomm has ex-dividend date on March 3rd. So if you would buy Qualcomm today, you will not be counted into the system to get their dividend. So in order to receive a dividend for Qualcomm, you would have to invest yesterday or any time before. Do you understand now, guys? You need to invest at least 2 days always before ex-dividend date, so you will get to the system of the dividends. And then you can go here on dividend calendar. It is on nasdaq.com. So let me quickly find Qualcomm. Alright, so here is a Qualcomm, right? Look at the Qualcomm. So ex-dividend of Qualcomm is tomorrow, alright? So what happened in this date is that they will shut down the system and they will count all of the people who will get paid dividend. And then is another date here, payment date, and they will actually pay the dividend on March 25th. Do you understand this now? So we have to buy the stocks at least 2 days before ex-dividend date in order to receive the dividend of March 25th. But as you can see, they've got it here different. Like Qualcomm is March 25th, Shutterstock is March 18th. You know, every company is different, but I hope you now understand it. Yeah guys, so that's been all for today's video. We fucking made it. I'm fucking happy. Jesus Christ, we've made it, bro. 7 days and fucking 7 days of fucking uploading videos, plus putting daily Instagram content, daily this, daily that. Jesus fucking Christ, we made it. Now I can get just a little bit more creative and think about the video editing, etc, etc, etc. Yeah guys, so it's been my pleasure to be here for 7 days for you. I hope you have enjoyed it. I hope you've learned as much as you could from these videos. If you would like to make some money, link is down in the description. It will bring you on my profile. You can copy me. You can join our group of copiers. There's currently 8 of our copiers. Love you all, guys. Have a great week. Go there and kill it. Yeah, be safe and see you on Sunday, guys. Peace.